To make six pack, this is not necessary to have a gym regularly. Okay, let's see. This is the six pack, 3 and 3. Very simple to make. Just you have to practice Noli. How you can practice Noli? Let's see. Very simple. Left, right. Now, like this you have to practice. Very simple exercise. Do Noli. Do regularly and have enjoy this. This will dedicate all your issues and problems. Now let's see. Yoga. For Noli Kriya, this is the one of the secret. Kriya helps in Kundalini Jagran, awakening of Sakta. Energy available at Muladhara Chakra. You should not practice immediately, but first you have to understand. After that, you can practice. You have to first watch the demonstration, then only you can practice, so you will get the benefits. First left and right, after that Madhya Nauli, that is your stomach will go inside. After that try to rotate, putting pressure on your alternate thighs. Start from left, right. It will automatically rotate. No need to bother too much. Now you can do this pose also to maintain a strength in your body parts, to have a great digestive power. So this pose you can do after warm up only or after doing so many asanas. Try to do it at the last, and after this just do shavasana for optimum results, because the blood circulation at most in your central nervous system, and after this the relaxation is must for proper distribution of your oxygenated blood in the whole body parts. Now you can join my online classes nowadays due to lockdown. You can join my classes. The demo class will be free of cost, no charge. You can just call or mail me. I will give you the demo class free of cost. You can enjoy the class. If you will feel better. You will think it helps me great to achieve my goal or to get my target, either reducing the weight or anything else related to your physical and mental body. You can continue the class, otherwise you can skip the class, no issue. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day. But practice nowly for get optimum benefits. You can do once You can feel the level of energy has been increased and stamina has been increased inside your the whole day. Thank you very much once again.